Alright, back to the belt forming. Let me delete the additional face I added. Alternate, click and draw a curved line over the additional face to delete the curved lines. For this belt, I'll stick to using world symmetry. Tap on any face on the belt. Turning symmetry on mirrors any polygons on one side of the axis to the other. But let's say I forgot to turn on symmetry when I was modeling, and I want to mirror whatever I have drawn on the right to the left. There's a feature called Mirror and Weld under Geometry, Modify Topology, Mirror and Weld. This feature doesn't mirror to any opposite direction on an axis like symmetry does. It only mirrors from left to right. So for this belt's case, I need to go under Deformation to mirror or flip the subtool or polygon to the other side of x-axis, then go under Geometry, Modify Topology, Mirror and Weld on x-axis. Mirror and Weld does the exact same thing as having symmetry on, except sometimes we need to join the polygons if they don't overlap at the symmetry line. In order to join these two faces,